Now, when you are offering service for the act of supporting another selflessly, there are certain spiritual laws that we need to be observant with. One of the laws in spiritual development, positively, is to keep your service to others a secret. Whatever you do for others, don't go drumming it into the ears of everybody that you are the one who has done that. Keep it secret. If you open to Matthew chapter 6, verse 3 and 4, it is written there, "But when thou dost alms, let not thy left hand know what thy right hand does, that thy alms may be in secret, and thy Father, which sits in secret himself, shall reward thee openly." Nature does not allow vacuum. Nature, more or less, hates vacuum. So when you give, something is coming out from you. Nature will replenish it. When you offer service to somebody, something is leaving you. Nature will replenish that. But when we offer service and we want people to praise us for offering service, we do it so that we'll get something back. It means nature will not compensate us anymore. We have already been given what we are looking for, the praise of people. So spiritually, we don't get anything. The best is to keep it a secret. Matthew 6, verse 2 gives us a pointer. With time, we are going to talk about the do's and don'ts in positive spiritual development. But one of the hints we dropped today is keep it secret. When you offer service, selfless service, keep it secret. Let us take note. There is a light around everybody. That light varies in color, in intensity, in direction, and in tone, depending on the person's nature, the type of person you are. This light cannot be seen by the physical eye, except by etheric vision. That is how you see that light, not with the physical eye. It surrounds the person. Good deeds, good things that we do, they are founded on love. And that love make our lives grow, they expand, and they sparkle around us. But no physical eye can see that. So as we do good, we increase in the light, and our vibration also increases. Then the spirit gains more consciousness and power. Certain things come to you, and you cannot even believe how they come. It's the spirit working. Yours is to lead the good life. Now, the soul body is the final product of love. We are saying here that the product of love at the end is the soul body. As you continue to do good, at the right time, the two higher eaters that we talked about will separate from the two lower eaters. When they do so, when that separation comes, then you are born again. That is how we are born of the spirit, just as this dense body was born of the flesh. That birth is into the spiritual realms, and it is a conscious birth. In the process of giving birth to that spiritual body, which is the soul body, the spirit comes out through the Golgotha, which is the scar, the place of the scar, that place in our own head, between the parietal and the occipital structures. That is where the spirit comes out. Then you are born into the spiritual world, and that is the born again. The spirit is no more a prisoner in this dense body. No, the spirit is no more a prisoner. It can leave and re-enter the body at any time based on the will of the individual. This is the positive voluntary spiritual development we are talking about, and it is based on nothing else but love. We can then understand when we are born again spiritually, when that soul body finally is born, that is when we can really see what it means to be a Christian. That is where we become true followers of Christ. And the ultimate in all this, the ultimate is to help humanity, even in the spiritual world and from the spiritual world. the person can be in the spiritual world and still help those who are in the physical body. That is how the soul body can help us to help humanity some more.